Well, open it up so I can see the fire.
You're letting the fumes out.
That's what I thought.
I'm trapping the fumes in.
Well, if we close the door, the fire will die.
Well, see, what the CO2 punctured both layers.
Do you have an actual...
And we didn't get to see that. Hold on. Let's get this fire going.
Do you have an actual fire extinguisher in there?
Dude, don't worry. Once we shut the door, where's the fire going to go? Where's the fire going to go once we shut the door? Nowhere. Oh, that's cool. Shh. This is our church. Silence. Bill, you're the one that's scared. Shut up. Oh, shit. Water, 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 water. Water. Video camera, water. Video camera, water. Video camera, water. Put it out, Billy. Billy, water, 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 water. Hold on. Video camera, water. Take the video thing. Throw it in the vent, throw it in the vent.